Hi guys, here with Ray and Draft Analyzer. Just wanted to do a quick video here. We're getting questions from the support team that are asking how do you import your Yahoo league. Alright, so on the screen here you see we have the Draft Analyzer open on the left side, and to the right we have my Yahoo account open with one of my fantasy leagues. So what you want to do first is you need to go to your actual league homepage, and you want to grab your league ID. If you see up here in the URL, it's going to be this number right here. So you're going to copy that. Then you're going to go over here to the Draft Analyzer, import league settings, import league settings. You're going to click on Yahoo, and then over here it's going to ask to enter your league ID. You're going to just post that league ID that we grabbed from the URL into right here in this area, and you're going to click add league. That's going to take you to this pop-up right here. By agreeing, you'll allow Draft Analyzer to access Yahoo Fantasy Sports. You should only need to do this one time. Going to click agree. Authorization successful. Continue to dashboard. So you're going to log in. And basically you're going to do the same steps again. Import league settings. You're going to go to Yahoo, copy that league ID, and this time, now that you've cleared the permissions part for Draft Analyzer, the league should pop up in your dashboard. Confirm your league has been imported. Alright, so complete setup there. Now my league is on my dashboard. So if you go back to the home page, I'll do that in a second. So here is, it takes you straight to your general settings part of your league. And in this area here is where you want to make sure that all of your settings imported over correctly. Sometimes you have to make a few adjustments. The main thing to know is that you want to make sure this draft here is 20 rounds. So you want to go to rosters, and you want to make sure that your max column here is all of these numbers add up to 20. That's the main thing you need to know here. In order for the Draft Analyzer to function properly, this number in the max column always has to add up to the number of total rounds that are in your draft. Okay? So you see we got 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19, and 20. Alright, so this is correct. Save all settings. Also, you want to go to teams. You want to make sure to click on your team, whichever one of these teams is your team. You want to make sure to click on your team and save all settings. Another thing to note too, for instance, this draft here that I'm showing on the screen is tonight. Yahoo doesn't release the draft order for this type of league that I'm in until about 20 or 30 minutes before your draft. So, you know, in that instance, you can come back in here and you can enter the draft order correctly right here. Again, making sure that you have your team selected correctly, and then you save all settings. From there, all of your settings should be good to go. And I'll show this over here as well. So I'm going to go back to the home page here. Just want to show you guys that it did import. There it is up top. So, and basically where we were, the page we were just on was in your settings options, your general settings. As you can see there, general, teams, rosters, sync information, and if you pull this up fully, then you'll see over here to your left, scoring rules. This is where you can manually input your scoring categories. And again, all this stuff you want to double check once you import over, just to assure that all your stuff's entered correctly. You have your standard points for offense, standard points for defense, and for kickers. Um, and again, you can enter the custom draft order and as well if you ever need to do that. Just make sure you always click save at the end of adjusting something manually. Alright, so that's all done. All of my settings are correct. And then you can go into the fantasy tools, draft analyzer. Should load up your league pretty quickly there. As you can see, everything's popped up. And again, this draft is at 7:30 p.m. tonight Central Time, which I'm also going to do a video tonight and show you guys how the draft sync works so that you can see it. This is on the web-based, of course, and so I will have to go back in because this is not the right draft order. Like I said, Yahoo and the league that I'm in, 20 to 30 minutes before the draft, which will be around 7 o'clock tonight, my draft starts at 7:30, is when Yahoo randomizes the draft order. So I'll have to go back in and enter that into my settings and then come back into the analyzer and it'll show the correct draft order on the screen, and then I'll be good to go. And again, I'll come back, I'll show you guys another video tonight to show you how the draft sync works, and we can kind of follow along with my draft a little bit. I'll do a couple of rounds, and that way you guys can kind of see exactly how it works on your screen, and things like that too. So bring that back down. Alright, so we'll go over the draft sync stuff tonight. Just wanted to show you guys the import process, and hope that goes smoothly for you guys. Again, if there's any issues when you are importing over your teams or anything like that, that's what we're here for. You want to just shoot an email to us at support@draftanalyzer.com. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope this helps some of you guys out, and look out for the other video tonight coming with the draft sync with Yahoo. Thanks.